Hey guys, how y'all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs for a living. I don't think I've shown you guys my setup. I've got my little for testing RV appliances, mostly furnaces. I put those on my tailgate, but I've been using this 11-pound propane tank with the pressure regulator. And then I've got this, this is just for jump starting your vehicle, or you can, it's got a tire pressure gauge in it too, where you can pump up your tires if you need to. But basically, I'm just using this 12-volt adapter with some Wagos to send 12 volts to the furnace. Then I've got another Wago connector here that I use to tie the thermostat through to test the furnace. So in this furnace, when I first got it, basically when you turn the thermostat on, it just wouldn't do anything at all. And my original diagnosis was this sail switch here. As you can see right now, the sail switch is open. Let's go over to continuity. And its reading is closed, even when it's open. And sometimes when you close it, see, it's kind of doing the opposite of what it's supposed to do here. So I replaced the sail switch first. And then after I replaced the sail switch, see, I've got a new one right down here. The furnace would fire up and it would work great, sometimes, and sometimes it wouldn't. So I discovered that there was a problem with the control board in there, and I've already replaced the control board, and now this furnace actually is working. But sometimes it would come on and sometimes it wouldn't. There was just a little intermittent problem going on with the board. So I've replaced the sail switch and I've put a new board in there, and now we're going to go ahead and test this thing again. Show you how I'm going to do that. So I've already got my 12 volts coming in here on the red. That's my positive, and then I've got the negative is the yellow. Then these two blues are the thermostat, so I'm going to tie the thermostat through, send power to the furnace. My propane tank is on already. Okay, now let's see what happens. New control board and a new sail switch. This wire was kind of short too, so I did extend it. I put a little jumper on here. It was like really tight and stretched. Come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. She lit. All right, brand new sail switch and a new board. That's all she needed. Let me show you what happens if you try to start this thing up while the sail switch is in the closed position. If I can do this. Okay. The sail switch is sailing. Not really. It's not. The motor's not spinning, but I'm holding it up. But as you can see, nothing is happening. So if your sail switch is stuck in the closed position, your furnace is not going to work. So what we have to do now is, now that it's not in the closed position, I can take it back out and reset it. Let's see if she starts again with the sail switch in the open position. There it is. She's running. All right, I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.